Hello traders, you are welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the Color CCI Indicator for MT4. Okay, you're going to find the link in the description. The link to download the indicator is going to lead you to the Forex Geek website where you're going to find the link to download the indicator. Okay, and then from there, you head over to your data folder. Okay, and then you head over to MQL4, navigate to indicators, and then you paste the extracted ex4 file or MQL4 file, paste it in here, and you head back to your navigator and just refresh. Okay, after refreshing your navigator, just look for the CCI color. The CCI color, just drag and drop, and then ensure that the allow DLL import box is checked. And here you can see the two customizable settings, the CCI period and the CCI price. You can modify these values depending on how sensitive you want the indicator to be, right? And here we go. This is the indicator. It helps you to, analyze momentum, the prevailing momentum in the market. And unlike the traditional CCI that has just one color, you can see that this one is displaying two different colors, right? When you have bullish momentum prevailing at a time, you will notice the color change to blue, right? And then when you notice, when the indicator identifies bearish momentum prevailing at a time, you will notice the indicator change to this, pinkish, or is it maroonish color, right? Let's go check the exact name of that color. So the pale violet red, okay? So it's going to change to the pale violet red color when bearish momentum is being identified, and then when bullish momentum is being identified, it's going to change to the deep sky blue color. Okay, it's as easy as that. But I'm going to recommend trading in the direction of the trend. So when the trend is bearish, look out for sell opportunities, look out for sell signals. When the trend is bearish, you want to look out for the color changing to this pale violet red, right? And then execute your trade after you get a bearish confirmation. On the other hand, when the trend is bullish, you want to look out for the color changing to this blue, right? The deep sky blue, and then ensure you get your bullish confirmation candlestick pattern or whatever confirmation you normally use, right? Ensure you get a confirmation at least before you execute your buy trade. It's always good to get confirmation. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.